Hey guys, welcome to this video, and now I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy A8. Previously I've shown you the unboxing of A8 Plus, so I'm pretty sure that the unboxing experience is going to be exactly the same as A8 Plus. We also have got pretty much the same specifications. So we have got a 64 gig version here, infinity display. So this one has 5.6 inch display instead of 6 inches on A8 Plus. We've got dual front camera, water resistance, dust resistance, IP68 rated. We've got 4G LTE, 64-bit octa-core processor, full HD AMOLED display, 16 megapixel rear camera, and we have got dual front cameras. So one is 16 megapixel and the other is 8 megapixel. And again, we have got 64 gig memory and 4 gigs of RAM on here. It's a dual SIM, Samsung Knox, it's all here. But there is another difference here on this phone, and that is the color. A8 Plus that I unboxed was black in color, but this one is orchid gray or orchid gray. I don't know how to say it, but whatever. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. I'm pretty sure we will get the same accessories on this one as well. And there we go. We have got some accessories in here, so let's take a look at it first. Again, we have got a pouch in here. We have got some quick start guide and stuff like that. So you have seen this before in A8 Plus video, nothing different here as well. So there we go. We have our phone. It's much smaller, 5.6 inch in size, and we have got orchid gray color. So pretty nice. This is the first time I am going away from black color on a Samsung phone that I'm reviewing, and it's really different for me. I'm not used to using different colors other than black, so this is really different for me, but it's just for you guys to show you different colors on this phone. Pretty nice. We've got a glass back, glass front, and let's take this one off as well. And it's really small for 5.6 inches. It feels small and really compact. It's really crazy that they can fit such a big display in such a small body. Now let's go through the internals quickly. We have got our fast charging, so same as A8 Plus. We have got our USB Type-C cable. We have got some headphones here as well, so similar to A8 Plus. And then we've got USB Type-C converter, so you can use your older cables with this phone as well. So that's the unboxing, and this is the phone. Let's compare it with A8 Plus in black color. You can see the difference in the size of these two phones, and that's the front. A8 Plus is really big as compared to A8, and I feel that you really need to make a decision here which one to go for, because you know, we have got a different size, and obviously we have got different battery capacities here. So A8 Plus is rocking 3500 mAh battery, and A8 is running on 3000 mAh battery. So we will definitely see some difference in battery life on these two phones, but I will be making detailed videos on both of these phones and probably do some comparisons. If you want to ask me something specific about it, just ask me in the comments, so you can catch me up on Twitter as well. So just to finish this unboxing, I'm going to turn on this phone to see this display in action. We have got smaller bezels at the top and at the bottom, really nice, huge display, dual front cameras, and we have got fingerprint sensor in the center below the camera, finally, from Samsung. It's really easy to reach it as well. And so there we have it, guys. The display is just turned on, and we have infinity display here. So you know, it's edge to edge, not really edge to edge, but still extends to the top and to the bottom. And we have got slimmer bezels at the top and bottom as well, so really nice. So that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.